It is easy to get discouraged when things aren't going the way that you think they should be. And sometimes it's maybe just kind of the way that you're structuring not just your business, but your thoughts. So the way that I would try to avoid the discouragement is like boiling it down to that, essentially having KPIs, where as long as you are putting out offers consistently, let that kind of be your win. Say, hey, I know based on data, if I'm putting out 5 offers a day or 10 offers a day or what have you, that I may not get those offers accepted today, but you're building your pipeline and all of your deals, and they're going to start popping at a certain time at a certain percentage. I would focus on what is your output offer, and that is a key thing, is like offer. So many people, they're just not making offers, whether it's for deals or private lenders. Every time I talk to somebody and they're having a problem raising capital, how many lenders have you spoken to in the last week or last month? And it's usually 0 or 1 or 2. It's a numbers game. Just putting out offers and things like that. And take a step back also to build off what they said. Focus on your niche and focus on your area, and then you attack it, right? You attack it. So you live, eat, breathe, sleep in your niche, in that market, with offer after offer after offer, and let that be your goal each day. Not, hey, I'm going to get these contracts, because that's a little bit out of your control, and we need to focus on what we can control. And what you can control is making offers, having those conversations. And if you do that and relying on data that you know has been proven to work, over time it's going to turn into closings and deals and things like that. So I would focus on what your output is.